Hi guys, welcome to today's class session. Today we will be discussing listening to and producing different speeches with reference to vowel sounds. Vowel sounds are sounds produced when there is no obstruction to the flow of air streams passes from the larynx to the lips. There are 20 vowel sounds in English. 12 are monophthongs, where 7 are short while 5 are long vowel sounds and 8 are diphthongs. We will be looking at various vowel sounds with respective examples to each one of them. The short vowel sounds. Now, according to the IPA, which is the International Phonetics Alphabet, here is what you need to know about the short vowel sounds. Now, there are 7 symbols used to represent the short vowel sounds. There are the E, E, I, O, U, and E. Now, never mind, you will distinguish these sounds when we are looking at the examples. Here's what you should know about them. 1. A short English vowel is noticeably shorter than a long vowel. 2. An English short vowel is made with only one mouth position. One mouth position is represented by one IPA symbol. Every sound or mouth position has a different IPA symbol. The weak vowel schwa, as represented as shown in the bracket, is the most common vowel sound in English. Now let's take a look at examples. E, as in sit, feast, marriage. E, as in bet, scent, attention. Pat, flat, family. O, cut, jump, cover. U, as in put, book, cushion. O, pot, dog, hospital. About, system, complete. All of these are short vowel sounds. Let's look at the long vowels. There are 5 symbols for the long vowels, and they are as shown or as depicted: E, O, O, E, U. You will observe that the long vowels have 2 dots as shown after the vowel symbol. If it has these 2 dots after it, you know it's a long vowel sound. You should take note of the following. Now, English long vowels are noticeably longer than the short vowels. Distinguishing between short and long vowel is very important in English because they mean different words. For example, sheep, ship, shit, shit, week, week, and so on. An English long vowel is only one symbol in IPA because it is one mouth position. That means the way it is being produced, the structure of the mouth when they are being produced is a single structure. It is definite. It's not like there is no transition between the movement of your mouth while you produce the sound. Here are examples for long vowels: chief, amoeba, fetus. R, bizarre, cast, pass. O, as in fork, walk. August. E, as in heard, word. surface. Ooh, as in boot, group, beautiful. Now double vowels or diphthongs. There are 8 symbols for diphthongs vowels. They are A, O, O, E, I, and O. You should take note of the following. English diphthongs vowels have 2 IPA symbols because they are made up of 2 mouth positions. That there is a transition between the first symbol and the second symbol while you make these sound in the movement of your mouth. You'll notice it while we take the examples. 2. In other words, diphthong vowels are 2 short vowels joined together. They are also called double vowels. Many non-native speakers make some English diphthong vowels as single vowels. Now let's take a look at examples. A, as in place, late, dangerous. O, as in home, phone, global. O, as in mouse, brown, accountant. Ear, as in clear, fear, career. Ear, as in care, wear, declare. Oi, as in boy, toy, enjoyable. I, as in find, bite, tiger. Or, as in tour, pure, mature. So summary, there are 20 vowel sounds with 12 monophthongs and 8 diphthongs. The monophthongs are further split into 2, the long and short vowels. Diphthongs are usually 2 vowels joined together. They are also known as double vowels. Now it is also important you pay attention to the way they are being produced, while the positioning of your mouth while you produce the sounds, especially the diphthongs, which are 2 sounds, but usually there is a mistake being made when they are being produced, making them being mistaken for 1 sound. So with that, we've come to the end of today's class session. I hope you are able to identify the various vowels and how they have been produced. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section or send us an email. I would look forward to your responses. Do have a nice day. Bye.